Hi, I'm often asked what I use to make my drawings, so I thought I'd show you. It's actually very simple. I use HB pencils that I buy in massive packs and just work my way through. I think that HB pencils over the years have got softer. They certainly seem quite soft to me and they do the job, so that's nothing fancy about those. The paper that I'm drawing on is very cheap. I buy it in packs of 100 sheets and it's more or less disposable. It is nothing high quality. It's got a smooth surface, but that's about all I can say for it. The other thing that I use a lot are erasers, and I get through a lot of these because the way that I draw is mainly rubbing out and correcting. So again, I buy these in bulk. The only thing I would say is be careful not to store them in the sun because they go hard. So if you buy them like I do in big boxes, keep them in the dark so that they stay nice and soft. I also have a battery powered eraser. Now these are not expensive. I bought mine online and it has a couple of small batteries in it, and on the tip is a little tiny eraser, and you buy a big pack of these little endy bits and they poke in the top there, and when you switch it on it whizzes round, and that is really nifty if you have detailed work that you want to correct. So that's quite a useful one to have. The one thing that I did lash out on is an electric pencil sharpener, and I was able to sort of justify that because I teach and I have classes of 10 students, so I have lots of pencils to sharpen at the end of the day. If you are going to lash out and get an electric pencil sharpener, my advice would be to go the extra mile and buy one that's got adjustable sizes. During the course of making this liner cut, I want to show you that I'll be using other things like China graph and drawing pencil, stuff like that, and they are all different sizes. All of them need sharpening. So if you're investing, get one that's adjustable, and that's absolutely brilliant. So that's all I have to draw with, and I don't tend to colour in when I'm drawing. At this stage, when I'm getting the design done, I'm not thinking about colour, so I'm just looking at line. What I might do, and I'll show you on this drawing, is to use the pencil just to block in areas so that I can see shapes basically. So there's no colour pencils or anything like that. All I'm using for my drawings are what I've shown you here. So I look forward to seeing you next time, and thanks for listening.